In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the lasso tool and content-aware fill to make seamless edits to your images. Whether you're working with a photo that has unwanted shadows or simply wanting to clean up a specific area without a lot of hassle, these techniques will be your go-to moves. Let's dive in with the essentials. The lasso tool. This tool is a staple for selecting distinct parts of your image, offering you the freedom to trace around irregular shapes as precisely as you need. As you begin, open your image and head over to your toolbar. Look for the lasso tool icon. It's the one that looks like a small rope loop, as this will allow you to draw freehand selections. Click on it to activate the tool, and then, with a steady hand, trace around the shadowed area in your image that you want to edit. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. You can always undo and try again. The key here is to capture all of the shadow while staying as close to the edges as possible for the best result. Once you've made your selection, it's time to work some magic. Navigate to the top of your screen where you'll find the Edit menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Content-Aware Fill. This is a powerful feature that aims to intelligently fill in the selected area by analyzing the surrounding parts of your image. Essentially, it will try to match texture, lighting, and even the pattern of nearby pixels to make the edit appear as natural as possible. When the Content-Aware Fill workspace opens, you'll notice it provides you with a sampling area. This area shows where your fill will pull its data from, indicated by a green overlay on your image. If the automatic selection doesn't cover the right areas, you'll want to adjust this sampling area accordingly. To do this, toggle the brush tool and brush in more areas that you want included, or brush out those you think might confuse the filling process. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth and believable result, especially in more complex images. Now, with your sampling area set just right, all that's left is to let the software do its job. Check your settings on the right-hand panel to ensure everything is in line with what you want, and then go ahead and click OK to apply the fill. Keep an eye on the transformation. It should meld seamlessly with the rest of your image, beautifully removing the shadow or unwanted area without a trace. And there you have it, a powerful editing technique that's effective and straightforward. Mastering these steps will not only save you time, but also open up new creative possibilities in your photo editing endeavors. So go ahead, explore the limits of what you can achieve with these tools, and enhance your images like never before. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.